Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas crossed with Snoopy from Peanuts. All right? It's going to be a very simple, easy lesson. So if you're a fan of Peanuts or Nightmare Before Christmas, or especially if you're a fan of both, stick around all the way to the end of the video. This is going to be, I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. So everyone should be able to do it, okay? So I'm going to walk you through this. If you're a huge fan of the Halloween season and you like getting a little bit of dose of that Halloween goodness every day, that feeling of like, yeah, Halloween, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be posting pretty much every day throughout the month. And a little bit afterward until Christmas. The good part is when you subscribe now, they'll subscribe you for the following year as well. You'll just start seeing stuff on your feed. I'll be like, oh, cool. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here into Snoopy, the top of Snoopy's snout. The marker I'm using is kind of dying, so I think I'm about to jettison it somewhere. Let me do it again over here with a better marker. There we go. Top of Snoopy's nose. Let's keep moving back a little bit. Up over here. A little bit of a bridge. And we're going to go down. We're going to go over here, find the bottom of his nose. So we're going to go curve here. Bottom of his snout. Curving down. And then pulling up to the smile. Let's go over here and draw Snoopy's ear. Kind of like a U shape, like so. And then inside here, like so. Okay. I'm going to fill this shape in totally dark. Anyways, hopefully having a great Halloween season. I'm really excited that you're joining me here for this. It's so much fun to do this. I'm a huge Peanuts fan, especially Nightmare Before Christmas as well. But Peanuts is maybe more so because Peanuts has been around longer. And so I've been going to curve over here for the front of his nose. And I'm going to fill that in. Okay. I'm going to go over here. A dot here for the eye. Curve a line here for the top of the head there. Okay, doing good so far, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and curve a line inward for the back of the neck. Line across. Pulling downward here, out. Over here, I'm going to go wavy line. For, because Zero is pretty much made of like a blanket, right? Or is that what it was? It was like a sheet or something like that. I mean, at least that's what he looks like. Obviously, he's a ghost, right? Like a ghost sheet. So you kind of want that kind of look, you know? I go here to the back. Curve around here. And I'm going to go here and it's going to trail off. Like so. Let me curve this line over here. Alrighty. And I'm going to draw some detail here. So like right here, curve of the line here. I could draw some of the bottom of the outside of the blanket there. It comes back up there. Like Zero has it. And a good way to differentiate the bottom of the blanket from the top of the blanket is you can kind of like, I like doing this. You can either fill it in totally black, or I like doing this, kind of where you're putting bars over here to show kind of a shaded area. You can do that in the front as well, you know? I can kind of go into that as well, and I can do the same exact thing. Um, Please hit the like button if you like any of these franchises. I'm a huge, huge Peanuts fan, and I would love to do more of it. And the way it works is the more likes something gets, the more, I do stuff from that particular topic. Excuse me. I'm like hiccuping. All right. And that's pretty much it. So check out the first link in the description. I have a gift for you. It is drawing temp. I'm just fixing and messing around with the line here, just trying to fix it. Um, so I created these templates to sell, and I've been selling them for a couple of years. It is Halloween drawing templates. They are basically little how-to pages, and they're really, really fun. I put 100 of them in that first link in the description. And the good part is it's 100% free, like completely, completely 100% free. So that's my gift to you. They're made easy to print, and they're pretty much custom made to print. And that's it. Go check that out. That is there for you to take. Like I said, it's in the description here. I'm just gonna draw little lines here where the scrunching of the cloth would be. So go check that first link out in the description, and you're gonna see that. But like I said, it's been a great year, honestly, as far as this part of the year. I want to thank you so much. You guys are amazing. If what I do is worth your time, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel out. It helps the algorithm out. And yeah, go say hi to me, by the way. Say hi to me in the comments. I love talking to others, and I'm really excited to kind of gather and hang out with people here on the online, at least, for the Halloween season. I can kind of discuss things I like. We can always do that in the community tab, or even in the chat here. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and we'll talk to you very soon. All right. I need you to stay spooky.